After reaching your router, where does the data go? What is the structure of the internet? Let us find out. Internet traffic has to be routed from your device to the other device or server you're trying to connect to. Online data has to know where it is going. This is where TCP/IP steps in. We actually encountered this when we were changing our DNS. Go check that video out if you have not already. Link in description. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. But how does it work? It works in layers. The topmost layer is the application layer, with which applications like your web browser deal with. The next layer is called a transport layer. This is where the TCP lives. The application layer conveys the data to the transport layer. This is where TCP chops up the data into smaller chunks of data called packets. Packets can then individually take the quickest route over the internet to wherever the data is being sent. The packets need to be correctly reassembled into the complete data, which can be an article, a web page, or even this video you are watching right now. To do so, the TCP includes a header for all packets which contains the right order to put them back into and some error checking information with which the computer at the end can figure out if the packets arrived without any mishap. These packets are now pushed to the internet layer where the IP lives. IP attaches origin and destination IP addresses to each packet so that it knows where it came from and where it is going. After this, they are pushed to the network layer. It takes care of delivering the data to the correct physical machine like a computer, mobile phone, or gaming console from your router or network switch. This layer also converts the data into a series of electrical impulses that are sent through the internet cables, that are the Ethernet cables, or sent over Wi-Fi. This division of data into packets helps avoid congestions and bottlenecks on the metaphorical highway of the internet, which would have been caused if all of the data were to travel as a single piece. The TCP/IP also ensures that your game and your browser do not have to chop up the data into packets themselves, as the TCP/IP takes care of it in the background. This background work means that you are delivered smooth data and are not kept waiting. That is, if you have the correct speed. To figure out which speed is the best, you can watch this video, link in description. I finally covered packets in this video and will cover other interesting internet facts in the videos to come. So subscribe down below, click the bell icon and set the setting to all notifications so as to never miss a video from Beginner Science. And please like, share and comment. Stay home and stay safe.